Hello friends, if you are searching how to make backup of Samsung Galaxy Watch data, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can make backup of Samsung Galaxy Watch data only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Select Watch settings, then tap on Account and Backup. Select Backup Data under the Smart Switch subheading. If you don't have Samsung Smart Switch installed, you may be prompted to download it to your smartwatch and phone. The app facilitates Samsung's backup creation process. Tap the data fields you wish to include in the backup. Once you're happy, tap Backup to begin the process. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily make backup Samsung Galaxy Watch data. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.